Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Lockpicking. What I'm working on today is this Master Lock Elite padlock. It is a 5-pin core. Does have a sprung shackle. Make sure I 40 thousandths top of the keyway and a deep hook and 20 thousandths, and I'm going to just find each pin, give them a couple of clicks. Okay. Alright, there we are. Not too difficult once you learn the filling, but the other thing that is disappointing is these are bypassable. So if you find the right actuator in the back, you can bypass. It's not too easy, but you can find it if you happen to have the right profile. But alright, thanks for watching.